Hello altos, I'm going to go ahead and do Blow Blow Thou Winter Wind, and I'm going to stop when we have the alto 1 versus alto 2 split, remembering that alto 1s are the upper voice, alto 2s are the lower voice. So starting from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2. 1, 2, off, and soprano, blow, blow the winter wind, alto. And 1. Upper alto. Lower alto going back to bar 17, lower alto 17, and 1. One, two, three, four, 1. One, two, three, 4. 2, 3. 2 and 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, off, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, off, and basses, freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, altos. And 1. One, two, three, 4, 1. One, two, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you, altos.